Hi YouTube family, welcome to today's video. I am going to be bringing you an enormous giveaway. I have been getting stuff for such a long time and I've wanted to do this giveaway for quite a while. And I also want to make sure that I express my appreciation to all of you and tell you how much you mean to me. I've had a heck of a year, as you guys know. I've had surgeries, I've had moves, I have had so many things going on in my life, and you guys have just been there through it all. And I thought, what better way to be able to give back to you guys than do a really nice giveaway for you. So I have this huge box of stuff in front of me, which I'm going to go through, and I am going to go through it quite quickly. I am not going to tell you how to enter this giveaway at the beginning. I am going to be giving you a couple of rules right now, but how to actually enter the giveaway, that will be somewhere in between the video, maybe in the middle, maybe towards the end. So hopefully you'll be able to watch the whole thing to figure out how you are going to be able to enter. But first, I do want to say that yes, the video is opened internationally. It has to be for 18 years or older. I cannot accept any children. There are new guidelines set in place recently from the FTC and from YouTube, and we as creators can get fined a lot because of this. And the biggest thing is that if we don't comply with child laws or the rules that they've set up for age differentiation on videos. So my videos have never been about anybody that is a child below 18. My demographic doesn't even show that age group even watches. So it might not be a factor. I am only doing this giveaway for 18 years or older. One of the things I would like for you to please do, if you wouldn't mind, is make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And of course, you do have to be subscribed in order for you to be entered into the giveaway. So don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon. That helps me too. All right, let's get into what I'm giving you. And like I said, I'm going to be going through this fairly quickly, so stay with me. I am giving you a Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. This has some greens and some purples in it. It's a beautiful palette. I have it myself, and I'm going to start off with that one. Then I'm going to be giving the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some More lip. This kit includes some Charlotte Tilbury, some fresh lip stuff, some lip stuff from Laneige, and different lip things that are so pretty. And I want to give that to you too. Maybelline has a really nice kit out at Walgreens, and it's called Winter Wonder Glam, and it has some lasting fix finishing spray, mascara, liner, and a lipstick in there, and that's going to be going in there. BH Cosmetics has their Fairy Lights 11-piece brush set. That is going to be going into there. Pantene has one of my favorite dry shampoos. I'm putting that in there. I'm giving you 2 extra brushes besides the ones for the BH Cosmetics, and the first one is a fan brush from Equate. I got one of these the other day after I had done my brush video, and I thought, this is a really good brush. I should have said how good this was. So I will make sure that I list that video below. And then I also talked about, this is one of my favorite powder brushes from e.l.f., just a large powder brush. So I'm putting those in there. I'm giving you a pair of warm, yummy socks that are aloe infused. This is a wintertime giveaway. Why not, right? This right here is one of those twisty turbies for your hair. I love mine, so I thought I would throw one in here for you guys. I'm giving you a package of makeup wipes. Invaluable to me, whether I'm doing just a little cleanup on my makeup area or whether I'm doing swatches, whatever you find to do with it. My very favorite tweezers are so inexpensive, but they're from e.l.f., and I usually throw those in every giveaway. I'm giving you an exfoliating from Kate Somerville, and I love this scrub. It's so good. I'm also giving you quite a few Pixie products. Now, yes, I did get this in PR, but I couldn't possibly use it all. So I thought, what better way to do it than give it to you guys in a giveaway, and it's untouched. So there is some Glow Tonic serum from them. If you've ever had their Glow Tonic, that is the toner that's just like that, only a thicker serum. And then there is a lip topper. And then over here is a liquid eyeshadow, and then a matte lipstick in that little kit right there. So I'm giving you guys that. I'm also giving you a sample. Well, it's not a sample, it's a mini. I've had my mini for, oh gosh, I can't even tell you, probably like 2 or 3 months. And I'm giving you a mini of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which I absolutely love. I'm giving you a bottle of, I don't know if this is Oral-B or Oribe. Anyway, whatever. I'm giving you some of the Gold Lust Nourishing Hot Oil from them. This is one of my very favorite beauty sponges. My friend Sherry did a whole video about these, and I immediately got them and love them as much as she does. So I'm gonna let you try one of those. I am also giving away a 4-piece of the Essence Cosmetics Lash Princess, so you can try the whole line. My favorite is the waterproof in there. I'm giving away the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Powder Contour Palette. This color right here is so cool and so nice. I mean, cool as in the color cool, or on the cool toned side. And I use it right here to carve out my cheeks and to do all the rest of my contouring. Love that stuff. I'm also giving you one of my very favorite Milani blushes. These blushes are so gorgeous to go across your face and give you just a very, very subtle glow. And this one is in Berry Amore, my favorite color from that. And you guys, every time I do a giveaway, I give away tons of samples because I get these so much from ordering online. And I think it's all kinds of fun just to be able to try different things. So I'm giving you a bunch of those samples. I hope that you enjoy those. And when I was at Walmart the other day, I found this massager for your neck and your shoulders. And it's so good because you can actually use it yourself. And I thought, wow, I love this thing. And I got me one, but I had to get you guys one too. I really think that's great. One of the things that I always enjoy is making sure I put self-care in here, like the socks and the massager. So this is some mineral bath salts just to pamper yourself in the bath. And then after you get out of the bath, you need to do your feet and make sure your little heels aren't too calloused or anything like that. So this is a 4-in-1 tool for your heels. I have one. I won't be without one. I think I broke one and I went and got another one, but this is a really great thing to have if you do have calloused heels. And as I get older, I'm noticing the dryness. Okay, and then I'm giving you one of my very favorite colors of Zoya nail polish. This is a duochrome color. So it looks purple, but it flashes a green on it too. And let me see if I can see which one this one is. I think this is called a Dinah, and I think it's so pretty. This Zoya formula is got to be my favorite, and so I'm definitely giving you guys that. I'm also giving you something that I discovered and put in my favorites not very long ago, and that is the Coty Airspun Loose Face Highlighter in Snow Much Eyes. You guys, this is so pretty. So if you have an appreciation for the Airspun powder, I think you're going to love this too. And then last but not least, I'm giving you a travel size of the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styler. I use this on my hair all the time because my hair is so fine and it is thinning, and so this really helps with all kinds of things such as smoothing and giving me more volume to my hair and all of that. So that is it for the entire giveaway, you guys. I hope that you're as excited as I am about it. I did tell you somewhere in that video you got to watch it from beginning to end. Please do that so that you can get the full grasp of what I'm giving away. Not only that, but also you will find out how to be entered. I hope all of you are doing really well. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I hope that you do decide to stick around after the giveaway, because I am somebody that does these kinds of giveaways even on a sly note when I'm doing my other videos, where I will not even say at the beginning that it is a giveaway. I will just say that it is a regular video, and then later on I will tell you that I'm giving something away in it. So yeah, I get a little sneaky about that kind of thing. And if you are subscribed, make sure that you hit the little bell icon so that you can be reminded of any videos I might be having in the future. Okay, that's everything, you guys. Thank you so much for being with me today. Hope everyone is having a great day, and I'll catch you all in my very next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.